In this video, we're going to set up the lights for the Pro X10. Find out Pro X10 board. Our Fly is Fast already comes with this firmware built in, so there's no need to flash it. If you're using a different host software, follow the instructions in this text to install and configure it. Now, let's connect the power supply to the motherboard. The Pro-X10 board supports up to 24 volts power supply. We're going to copy the reference configuration directly into the Klipper config file. Type in your host's IP and open Fluid. Open the configuration page and locate the printer CFG file. Now we'll paste these reference configurations. Save the changes and restart the configuration. Now we're going to go through and make a few basic changes to the configuration. Raise the gradient value to 0.8. This rainbow flowing light effect will speed up a bit. If you reduce the value, it will slow down. You'll find even more lighting effects and DIY options right here. We've already organized all the resources, and they're all from GitHub. That's it for today's video. Drop a comment if you have any requests for future content.